guys, what's up? My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. So today's video is going to be an unboxing. It's an influencer unboxing, as you can tell by the title. And I can truly say I've never received any package like this before. I haven't took anything out the box. I've opened the box, but I haven't took anything out of it. So this is like a pretty genuine unboxing. But this is the Always Intimate SkinCare VoxBox. So as you can tell by the box, it comes with like 4 to 5 products. In the corner over here, it says pH balanced and gyno tested. So gyno tested intimate skincare. This is not for your face skincare. This is for down there skincare. And when I first got this, I was like, oh, they sent me a shampoo and conditioner and oils and stuff. Girl, no, they didn't. This is not for anything up here. It's for down there. So I've actually never used anything specifically for down there. I'm like a very basic girl. I keep everything very basic. I don't do anything extra. And this is different for me, so I'm excited to try this. But let me go ahead and open it for you guys. So when I open it, the paper on top, and then the first thing I see is the card. So I'm going to go ahead and like read the card to you guys. So it's new from Always. We are excited for you to experience our intimate skincare collection. And it doesn't say nothing special on the card. That's pretty much all it says. So it comes with 4 products in here, and this is like the way it looks. I love how this is a black girl on here. Anyway, so I want to start off with the biggest thing I see. They sent me these Always Refresh cleansing wipes, and they're fragrance free, calendula extract and hyaluronic acids. And it's not already open, so that's good. And it's a pretty hefty size. They're not flushable, do not flush, and it's 40 wipelets in here. It's 40 wipes in here. It's 40 wipes in here. So this is that. Next thing. So the box, it had 2 cleanses on here, but one of them was a sensitive wash with no fragrance. And then the other one was a refreshing wash with a light scent. They sent me, which is good, this is the sensitive wash, fragrance free. And this has vitamin E and amino acids, pH balance. You see the uterus on there looking all pretty, like flowers and stuff, when that is not what it feels like to have a uterus. But yeah, this is that. And I'm not like, I don't have sensitive skin. I'm not even sensitive really down there, but obviously that's a more sensitive area. So I'm really happy that I was sent the sensitive wash, and I actually can't wait to try this for the first time. Like I said, I don't use stuff like specifically for that. I don't know. This is like a different video to film, very much more personal. Like if you're watching this, I hope you're a girl, you know. But yeah, this as well. And then next is Always Relief Soothing Serum, and it's made with jojoba and olive oil, and it's pH balanced as well. So this says use daily as a soothing moisturizer to help reduce itch. It exfoliates to help reduce ingrowns. Jojoba oil, olive oil, and coconut oil is made with, and it's dermatologist and gynecologist tested. And it's made without, all of these, every product I'm showing you is made without parabens, dyes, fragrances, or silicones. This is that. Okay, this is really cute and sleek, the packaging. Okay, I like that. And then the very last thing in this package is the Always Nourish Moisturizing Oil. And this is made with macadamia and coconut oil, and it's pH balanced. So we got coconut oil, macadamia oil, and avocado oil. Again, this is made without parabens, dyes, fragrances, or silicones. It maintains skin's moisture and softens pubic hair with a clean finish that won't stain clothing. So that's really nice. I really like this one. This one sounds the most interesting to me. You know, the softening and stuff. I like that because hair down there can get like really coarse. It's like a thicker type of hair than than I have on my head. So like I just said, I like this. Well, I like the idea of this. Now, with these specific products, this is not what I like have on my channel. So if you're a girl or whatever and you're watching this, let me know if you want a review for these 4 products. If you do not tell me that you want a review, I'm just going to use these products and not give a review because this is not what I put on my channel. Like, it's not my usual content. But you know, y'all want a review, I'll give you a review. If one person say I want to review, I will do a review, but you gotta let me know. But that is it for this unboxing. I'm actually really excited to try all this. Yeah, I'll let y'all know. I post a picture of it on Instagram and stuff. I might give a little review in that caption, we'll see. But that's it for this video. So if you all enjoyed this unboxing, please give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you've ever even tried the Always Intimate Skincare. Are you interested in trying it? Share this video with a friend and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in my next one.